Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a cartoon space Godzilla. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon space Godzilla, let's begin right here with the eyes. So I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down and then up like this in like a smiley face shape. Next, starting here, let's make a nice big shape like this. And then we'll do the same thing here for the actual eyes. Now, right inside of here, we're gonna make another little curve shape, kind of like a little smiley face shape or a U shape inside each one. Right here, let's go down with a line that goes down and up in like a V shape. Let's make a bump here and a bump here. Then we'll do a bump here and a bump here. Let's draw a line that's going to come up and down, and then another one that's going to come up and down. And then let's make a rounded point on top. Next, let's connect this line, and then let's connect this line here. Let's do a dot here and a dot here for the nose. And we'll make two little bumps above it. Right here, let's go up, and then we're gonna come down and back up, and then make another little bump here. Then let's make a nice big shape like this for the mouth. Let's make a couple small teeth, and then we're going to put some bigger teeth in the front. And we're just going to do this all the way over to here. Then let's make some more small teeth right across here. Right here, let's draw a line down and a line down for the sides of the head. Then let's make a curve and a curve for the mouth. Let's go down and up here for the bottom of the mouth. Next, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to curve in. And then over here, let's draw a line that's just going to go out and curve in. Let's make 1, 2, 3, and 4 little claws. And same thing here, 1, 2, 3, and 4 little claws. Then curve it here and curve it up here. Let's make a line here and a line here. Then we're just going to curve a line down for the stomach. Next, let's make another line around here for the body. Then we'll draw a line down and a line down for some legs. We're going to make 1, 2, 3, and 4 little bumps for toes. And we'll do that same thing here. Let's go 1, 2, 3, and then 4 little bumps. Let's bring this over and up, and let's bring this over and up. Let's make a little bump on each toe, and we'll do it on this side as well. Then let's do it on the fingers up here too. Let's draw a couple curved lines across, and let's make a line down for some detail. Let's make a little curve here, and then we're going to bring this line up, and let's curve it back here for a tail. Let's make a couple little spikes on here. And then we'll put some points on here for like the crystals on the tail. Up here, let's make a big point that's going to go up and down. And same thing here, up and down. Then let's add a little zigzag line on here for like the big crystals, with a little broken line on each one. Let's also put a couple spikes on the sides of the face. And there you go, there's your drawing of a cartoon Space Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.